Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lecture number 2 on the topic of the numbers. So today I'll discuss the currency exchange and currency foreign exchange or currency exchange. Though these rates are given by him as a testing. So whenever next page I will use this rates. Okay. So example I tell you, like this is in $1. For example, in $1, how many Argentina pesos? So given by him, and in $1 equal to how many Australian dollars? You can see that every $1 is what given by him. So we will try to use these. So let's start idea. Idea is still same. I will use cross multiple method. The way I taught you ratio, the way I taught you proportion, same way we'll do inshallah this topic even. So have a look now. For example, he said change into dollars into foreign currency stated. Like dollar, we have to convert into pesos. Okay. So I will write two titles. Title number 1 is dollar. Title number 2 is pesos. So pesos. So let's start dollar and pesos. Okay. First of all, I will go back and show you the rate of exchange. The rate of exchange is very clear on the top. This is okay. So one ratio 1.379, 379, 379. So 379. So I use here 3.79 and here $1. I hope so you got it. Now I want to convert $200, so I will write under it. And here I'm writing P because I want to find cross multiply. That's simple. Why cross multiply? Why not directly multiply? Wrong. Why? Because it is a directly proportional, not inversely proportional. And that is why I multiply here. So P into 1 and 200 times 2, 303.79. And as a matter of simple typing in calculator, which I'm doing parallel with you, and 200, you can do it parallel with me when I'm typing. You also type. So answer is coming $758. So dollar currency always right before. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I got it. Let's go for another question. For example, question number 2. This I want to do this one. So he's saying what? Let me read. Change amount and currency into dollars. Like this money, I want to convert in dollars. Same again. Two title. Title number 1 rupees. Title number 2 is dollars. So RUPEES rupees and dollars. So let's see now how we can do it. So first of all, I need a exchange rate. Exchange rate is very clear. I will show once again. That's because 1 or 2 times show, then I will not show you. You can see here a rupee, this one, Indian rupee, okay? 46.50, 46.50. So let's go back. 46.50. So $1, 46.50. Now I want what? I want $7.50 rupees. 7.50 is equal to how many D for dollars? So cross multiply. So 46.50 into D equal to 7.50. And I can find from here, and I'm dividing 7.5 divided by 46.5. And answer is coming with us is $0.16129. But you know, when we write this kind of things, we write always 3SF. I need, I don't want. Which I don't want bigger? No, not bigger. So don't add. So answer is 0.161. So I believe all points are very clear. Now get ready. I'm going to give one task and you will try. Okay, question number 3 will try. First of all, I give you task. How to do it? Let me read this question for you. A CD is costing 9.50 in London, okay, and 9.70 in Chicago. Done. Okay. One is London and one Chicago. Okay. How much cheaper in British money in a CD when bought in the US? Like I mean to say what to do. I have to convert it. He said how much difference in British money. So what is the here pound is given, okay, and here dollar is given. So best technique, convert this dollars into pound, and then I will subtract the what will find difference. So I repeat, how much cheaper in British money is CD bought in US dollar? So 1 minute once again. How much cheaper? Cheaper means the difference. I will subtract definitely. But problem, can it subtract directly now? No. One in a pound, one in a dollars. We can't subtract. But he said in British money is a CD when bought in USA. So actually, this is no need to convert. This need to convert. Okay, $9.7 convert into pounds, and then you subtract them. And I hope so. You got my point. So please take your time and try this question now. Yes, student, I hope so. You have done it. And now I'm going to do this question third myself. Currency exchange rate is given, and I noted down in the bottom. Okay. So first of all, as I said, I need to convert dollar into pound. So I'm writing two titles, dollar and pound. And you know it very well, $1 equal to 0.63 pound. And now I can see that this many dollars, how many pounds? So 9.70. And P for pound, I just converted. So P is equal to 0.63, 0.63 times to 9.70. And I'm typing myself 0.63 into 9.70. And answer I'm getting is in a pound is 6.111. But I want to find the difference. Cheaper. How much cheaper? So right here, it's a cheap. Naturally, this is a smaller, this is a bigger. So cheaper. So how much cheaper? We can just subtract. So 9.50 minus 6.111. So 9.5. So answer is cheaper. How much? 3.389. 389. You leave it as it is, or you make it 3SF. So 3SF means this will add one digit here. So become 39. I hope so. I hope so. The concept is very clear, and in dollars. Sorry, in pounds. In pounds. So this is, I hope so. You got a point clear. And now give one favor. I think we should go for one more question. One more question. So I think you should try this question now. This is okay. And there are two questions I want to give you. Okay. Number 5 and number 4. So you have to try now this time two questions and wait for me. Then I will do this question myself. And currency, you can check from behind currency exchange given. Okay, and in your textbook, page number is 24. So page number 24 is a given currency rates. Okay, so take your time, and then inshallah I'll do my. So let's start, students. So I'm doing this question number 4 first. What question? There are two currencies. One is a euro, one is a pound. And we want to find in dollars. So both links we have to convert. So first I'm writing dollar and euro. And dollar euro connection is given here. $1 is 0.70 euro. And I need to find now 20.4046, euros, how many dollars? So D1 or dollar in Spain. I write S. Why S? S for Spain. Okay, in Spain. Cross multiply. So I'm writing directly now because I'm saving you time. So you know it very well. S times to 0.70 equals to 20.46 times to 1. So this will go a divide under it. So 20.46 divided by 0.7. And my answer, the first part is I'm getting in Spain. So in Spain, how much the money in dollars I need? I got 29.229. Okay, now I'm going to do the same job in another one. So half job is over. Let's write again, but now pound. So pound and dollar connections given there. So write dollars and pound. So $1 is equal to 0.63 pound. And now I'm writing 12.60 pound in which country? UK. So I'm writing here UK directly like that. So UK. So UK time to 0.63 equal to 12.60. So when this will divide under it, so 12.6 divided by 0.63, and my answer is coming sharp 20. In UK, the dollars are $20. So he's asking how much. So naturally, which is a cheaper? He's asking which is a cheaper. So this is in Spain 29 point, and this is a UK 20. So naturally, UK is a cheaper. So I can say UK is a cheaper. UK is cheaper. Is cheaper by how much? So subtracting. So it is very clear, 29.229. If I subtract, I get a 9.23. Okay, I'm writing dollars, so I'm writing dollars. By dollar, how much? 9.2, 9.23. Because currency always write in a 2DP. Currency rule is 2DP. You can see the whole page whenever it come in decimal. So we have to write what form. We have to write in a 2DP. You can see here 2DP. You can see here 2DP. So currency always writing in 2DP. That is why you can see here 0.60 2DP. So now I think so. This point is very clear. And now I'm going for question number next one. So let's see question number 5. What the question number 5 is? Monthly rent for the flat in New Delhi is this many rupees. It means rupees. Okay, what is asking for? That how many in euros? Now problem is that we have no table which converts, which has connecting rupees or euros. We cannot connect them. So only connecting criteria is what? So first rupee to dollar and then dollar to euro. So this is a way I think we understood a point. So I will use two connections. So let's start. So both connections are given with here, or you can see here. One is a rupee and dollar, and one is a euro and dollar. So let's start. First of all, title number 1 is INR, Indian rupee and dollars. So Indian rupee, how many? What is the rate? Rate is one. Let me write a rate first. 46.50 is equal to $1. And how many Indian rupees I have? 32,860 rupees. I want to convert it in dollars. So D for dollar. So let's see. I'm saving my time because I believe now you can understand easily. And I'm writing directly answer. So $700, how many? 706 and 6666 continue forever. I write this way. So now he's saying what? How monthly rent of this one? Okay, how much in euro? Now I will do euros currency, dollar and euro. So right here euro and right here dollars. So what is connection with them? $1 is equals to 0.70 euro. And now I bring back this dollar down. So I believe is there's nothing hard. Okay, 6,667, and here a question mark, cross multiply. And my saving my time because I believe you got it, and my answer is coming for is in euros. How many euros? 494.67, and again 2DP. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very clear. And now I'm going on the next topic. Topic changing. Okay, and which topic is important for us? I'm going to start that one. And now topic is changing, and now I'm starting with a wait a minute. What is percentage title? Today my title is a percentage, and percentage is the same criteria. First of all, I mean, look here, I'm doing up till whole chapter by cross multiply method. You see, and I will do inshallah rest full chapter by cross multiply method. Logic only one that make your mind and you can understand easily. So let's start. For example, this is easy thing, no need to waste time here. Okay, let's start. Questions important here. For example, he is asking that what is a 45% of 2000? I will do in two ways. So one way is which I like most for students is the cross multiply method. And I write here two titles, kilogram and percentage. So I write percentage and kg, which I like the most. So I'm writing He say, what is the 45%? 45% equals to what? Okay, but this is called total, net, total. Let me tell you, total is always taken as 100%. Make sure total or full amount, exact amount, original amount. When I talk about all these things, we take 100. So this kilogram I will take equal to what? 100. I believe you got my point. So now I will cross multiply. So it means x times 200. So 2000 times 245. And this 100 will divide. And you know this, when divide, what answer I'm writing directly. So 20 times 245, and answer is coming 900 kilogram. So 900 kg. So alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Other way, what is other way? 45% off. Off. What does off means? Multiply. 45%. You know what is percent means, student? Percent means divide by 100. And off means what? Multiply. Of this amount comes here. This is the way number 2. Okay, this double zero cancel and same answer come 900 kilograms. So you can choose this way or this way. But I like this method. Why? Because I fix my mind and I will do whole chapter with the same technique. So I think you should try some question with me. Okay, then inshallah we'll see how we can do harder questions even. So question number 2. In a sale, jacket costing 40. Achha, before I start, this now sale price coming and these things are coming will create a trouble for you. Let me tell you here some important things here. Ready? So important thing. Whenever, look, this is a very important price. Cost price, whenever it comes, number 1, we'll deal always as 100%. Original price, whenever he said the word original price, we always take as 100. If he say that, for example, original previous, previous. Whenever he will ask us previous money, previous previous IOUS, previous amount, 100%. So 100% is cost. For example, look at here. He's asking the cost is 40% reduce. Cost jacket costing 40%. Sorry, his actual price of costing is 100%, $40. So $40 is equals to 100. Why, sir? Logic. What is the logic behind it? Because I said before, what is the logic behind it? Because cost is 100%, reduced by 20%, and find out the sale price. So I tell you one thing. So what is technique? Write it here. Two rules. Write here a percentage and write here cents. And now where's cent? Not dollars. Sorry, not cent. Dollars. Sorry, dollars. Okay, 20%. $40 is equal to 100. I repeat my words. Why I'm copying 40 and 100 each other? Because 40 is called costing, and costing always 100%. And I want to find 20% reduction. It means from 120 gone, I got 80. Okay, so sale. So 80 is equal to how much? So 80 equal to how much? This is called sale price, SP. So yes, wait a minute. So I hope so. So do one thing as a testing. Try question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3 and question number 4. So now I'm starting question number 3. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The charge of telephone call costing 12 cent in a 12 cent cost. So what is the cost? 12 cent. And increase by 10%. What is the new? So cost is, I said before. So right here a percentage, right here C percent. Okay. So because costing 12%, 12 cent. So 12 equal to 100. As I said before, and I 10% increase in 100. If you add 10, become 110. So 110, I want to find how much increase comes over. So it is a very clear x times 2 100 and 12 times 2 110 and simply divide it. So 12 times 2 110 divided by 100. And answer is coming here. New charges. So what is the new price or new charges is a cent 13.2. And I believe you got the idea very well. Now let's discuss the question number 4. Question number 4 says what? So appealing potatoes, 4% mass of potatoes will lost as a peel. Okay. Like when you peel, so remove the cover of the potato, it will lose its weights. Okay, uh, and how much is left of use of bag containing 55 kilogram? So how much left? How much is left for the use after peeling? So naturally, what is the normal mass? Okay, containing 55 kilogram. It means 55 kilogram was original bag. Okay, so I can say here, I can say that this. So I'm writing percentage. I'm writing kilograms, and 55 kilograms is called 100. Why, sir? Because this is actually original, actual. Okay, but after 100, what is the loss? 4% loss. So when I subtract 4%, I get 96. So it is a very clear 96 percentage. I want to know it. So 90% is how much L for left behind. So cross multiply. So when I do it this way, what happens? I'm writing it below here. So it means L times 200 and 96 times 255. So left behind. How much left behind? I'm finding it 96 times 255 and divide by 100. So left behind is 52.8 kilograms. It means actually 55 kilogram. Actually, it was 55 kilogram. But after peeling, after make it ready for eating, so how much left behind? 52.8 kilogram. I think you got a point very clear. And now I'm going for the next page. Yes, student, I think so. We should try this two question, number 11 and number 13. And attentive, please. In 11 number, he is asking that how did originally, and make sure when original asking, so in front of 100 percentage, put a question mark. This is the X. This is a very important. Even here, what is original length of the bar? Same in front of 100%. Put what X? I hope so. You got my point. So take your time. Try number 11 and number 13. Hurry, please. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Question number 11. This is a very interesting. So first of all, listen carefully. 70% of Hassan's collection of goldfish died. 70% gone, died. If 60 survivors, it means 60 left behind. So out of 100, if 70 died, 70 died. How many left behind? So 30% is left behind. 100%, 70 gone. So this 30% equal to this much. So I write two things. So I'm writing percentage and fish. Okay. And do you know, I said before, originally, whenever he asked original, in front of 100 percentage, I will put X. This is a very important criteria. And 30% which left behind equal to 60. Mabruk. That's it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So X times 230 is equal to 60 times 200. So this 30 goes there. So 6, okay, divided by 30. And answer is 200. It means originally there were 200 originally. Let me erase and write again this one. Wait a minute. It means originally there are original. 200 fish in the beginning. Anyway, I believe you got the idea very well. Let's go for the next part. Next part is I'm doing with you question number 13. Question number 13. Attentive, please. He said, when heating an iron bar expanded by 0.2 percentage. Like whenever something, look it down here, I'm just helping you. Look it down here. When something increase, percentage increase, I will do what? 100 plus that. If percentage decrease, I will do 100 minus that. I hope so. Point clear. So 10% increase, 100 plus 10. 8% decrease, 100 minus 8. I believe you got the point. So what is saying that the heat after heating the iron bar expanded. Expanded means increases. How much percentage increases? 0.2. The increase in length is 1 centimeter. After increases, sorry, if the increase is 1 centimeter. So find our original. Again, original, I will write two titles, percentage and centimeters. Sorry, yes, centimeters. So 100% equal to X. I said before, whenever I need original, I will write always 100 and X in front of each other. in front of each other. Now this is become what? He said iron bar expanded by 0.2%, and if this increase is 1, this increase is 1. So the thing is very important. Do I need to add 102? No, not at all. This is become 100.2 is only possible if he give you the new increase length. But he said no. How much increase? The increase of 1 centimeter. So I will write here 0.2 and 1. I think you got my point. And now I'm going to find it, cross multiply. So x 100 divided by 0.2, it is giving the original length is 500 centimeters. So I believe the point is very clear. And I think so we should try a few more questions. For example, question number 14.
Sir, can you repeat? I didn't understand.
I repeat again, dear. I repeat again. Let me repeat again the concept. You know, he said, read statement, please. He's saying that iron bar expanded by 0.2%. You can ask one question, sir, why you do not add like that? Okay, an increase is how much? 1 centimeter. The increase is, he did not say that after increase, maybe it become a 501 centimeter. No, he said increase how much? 1 centimeter. And this equal to how much percentage increase is 0.2. So 0.2 and 1, I kept each equal to each other. I hope so you got some idea. Okay, now try 14 number. And then inshallah, I will go for, sorry, 2 question try, please. 14 and 15. And then inshallah, maybe after these 2 questions, you get a better picture. Yes, student, you took a reasonable time. I'm starting number 14 here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the last 2 weeks of the sale price reduced by 30% first, and then further 40% of new price. Very interesting. First, how much in reduce? 30% and 40% of new price. So find the final price of the shirt if it is originally 15%. So original means starting. So I'm writing here percentage. I'm writing here dollars and percentage. So 100% original, and I said before, original not asking, this time given. I write here 100% and write here $15. First of all, this will reduce how much? 30%. And you know it very well, student, from 100 subtract 30, I get 70. So let's find 70% is equal to how much? So I'm writing this F stand for first amount. So when I cross multiply, students, so 15 times 2, I write like this, 15 times 2, 70, and divide by 100. So I am doing simply, an answer is coming $10.5. So after the first price is how much dollars? $12.5 is becomes. Now again I write dollar, again I write percentage. Now he's saying first 30% decrease done. Done. And now 40% reduce. Now what is 40% reduce? I'm writing now here, out of 100, sub 40 gone. How much left? 60. So repeat my words. So this will behave, now listen please. First, this 15 will behave as original amount. Now this value will behave as a original amount. I repeat my words. This $15 behave as a original amount. Now this money 10.5 will behave as a original amount. So I'm writing here 100% and writing 10.5. And after 40% loss, this has become 60. So 60% equal to S per second price. So I'm finding it in no time, 10.5 times to 60 and divide by 100. So answer is coming. So new price after 2-time decrease is $6.3. So I believe you got a point. First 15% reduce, 15%, $15 reduce, I got 10.5. Then 10.5 reduce and become what? 6.3% dollars, sorry. So I believe the point is very clear. Now I'm going for next question. Yes, question number 15. During a Grand Prix race, the tires of car reduces mass by 3%. and mass, if their mass is 388 at the end of race, it means when 3% loss, the new mass become 388. And find out the start. Start is called original. And whenever original, so I'm writing here percentage, I'm writing here kilogram. And whenever I need 100%, is called original. I think clear idea. Now 388 is after 3% loss. After 3%. So from 100, if you subtract 3, it becomes 97 percentage. And this 97 percentage is this this many kilograms. So 97 equals to 388. And simply cross multiply. So 97 times 2x equal to 388 into 100. And this 97 will divide on the other side. 388 into 100 divided by 97, and 400 kilogram was the original mass before it starts. So I hope so. The point is very clear. So I think so. The concept is very, very clear to you. And this lecture, we covered, Alhamdulillah, currency concept and percentage concept. Okay. And next class, I'm going to teach you profit percentage, profit loss percentage, and then we'll go, inshallah, for simple interest and compound interest. And then, inshallah, chapter basic idea will finish and we'll start our passages. So see, inshallah, next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.